Hey guys, welcome to this video. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you a practical bioenergetic exercise that can release trauma, that can release anxiety from the body, which is a set of eye exercises that you can follow along with. We store so much in the eyes. There's a lot going on. You know, a lot of people that feel anxiety or fear, they typically have like a startled response in their eyes, like their eyes are wide, like they're shocked to something like that. Or, you know, if people feel disconnected from themselves, they often avoid eye contact, or if they're busy in their minds, their eyes are usually darting all over. So basically, we can tell a lot about a person from their eyes, basically. So in this exercise, we're going to be stretching the eyes wide open. And of course, with all bioenergetic exercises, we have a stretch. We breathe deep in and out through the mouth. So really important that we start to fill up the body with oxygen. We feel the body, which is the third component, and we do the stretch. So stretch, breathe, and feel. The exercise goes as follows. I'll just give you a quick demo. You stand, feet a bit more than shoulder width apart, nice bend in the knees, and what we're going to do is simply open the eyes wide as follows. So you can see my eye sockets is stretched, and now I've got the stretch, I start to bring in the second component, which is breathing deep through the mouth as follows. And as I'm doing this, I'm really feeling the body, I'm feeling into the eyes. You'll be able to experience it, like as my eyes are stretched wide and the breath comes in, it's like the muscles, these tiny muscles around the eyes, and even the bones, you know, the cheekbones, the eye sockets, the forehead, and so on. We can breathe into this and we can feel into it, and we can release tension and repression, ultimately what's stored in the eyes. And yeah, we can do this combined with eyes wide open and then eyes tightly shut. So it's a way to really exercise the eye muscles. So eyes wide open for one round, eyes tightly shut for another round. So as follows: eyes wide, eyes shut. Eyes wide, eyes shut. So we can do this for a few minutes, maybe 4 or 5, 6 minutes. I'm going to do this standing up just so you can see me, you can follow along. I'm sure you've got the set of exercises. It's not really a difficult one to explain. But you can do this lying down, and that's sometimes useful to lie down with your knees up, laid on your back, looking up, eyes wide, laying down, staying down, eyes tightly closed. Yeah. So we're going to put a minute timer on. So the ding track is on, eyes wide. Let's go. So this stretch, really good for breaking up tension in the eyes and the head. And we're breathing deep in and out through the mouth. So I can feel all of these little muscles starting to open. So eyes wide, stretch the eyes wide. There's the ding, eyes tightly shut, squeeze the eyes. So the movement is in the eyes, in the forehead, like we're frowning, we're squeezing the eyes, the cheekbones, we're like scrunching up the eyes as tight as we can. Breathe and feel through the mouth. Breathe through the mouth, feel the body. Take it on. Keep on breathing, keep on feeling. There's the ding, eyes wide. Let's go. It's a short workout this week, so take it on. Stretch the eyes. Startled response, you know, like we're in a panic, a shock. Keep breathing, keep the eyes wide. Eyes tightly shut. Let's stay present. Let's go. Squeeze the eyes shut. Notice the difference, the quality of experience, the quality of feeling is different when we close the eyes opposed to opening the eyes. And closing the eyes can often be associated with turning away, not wanting to face the world, not wanting to look at ourselves, our stuff. Okay, eyes wide. One more time, let's take it on. Feel the body, feel the eyes opening. I just noticed that there's a little bit more space. As I open the eyes, my field is just a little bit more perceptive. There's just a little bit more space. Probably from been frowning all day, looking at my phone and that sort of stuff. This is really good for counteracting that. That was the ding. Eyes tightly shut. Final time. Let's go. Really staying inside the body. As we breathe, as we feel, as we stretch, the awareness, attention is always within. It can be a challenge, but we can do it. Okay, that was the ding. Okay guys, good stuff. So that was a set of eye exercises. You know, we can incorporate this as it can be a standalone exercise, eyes wide, eyes closed, but we can also incorporate this into other exercises. If you've seen the previous videos, if you've maybe done like the bow, the arch, shoulder sequence, that kind of stuff, we can incorporate this in there, opening the eyes wide, eyes shut, tightly shut. It's a good addition, it's a nice add-on to other exercises as well. And working the eyes can really move a lot of stuff. You know, like I said at the beginning of the video, there's a lot out there on how important the eyes are in our emotional experience, our psychological experience as well. So yeah, I strongly encourage you to give it a go. Thank you.